Hello and welcome everyone to Little Kata Show. My name is Eileen, aka Eileen Little Kata. Additional information about this show and my podcast show, arts, cuss, and everything in between can be found on my website, eileenlittlekata.com. Thank you so much for joining me today, guys. I have gotten my Dia activewear. As you can see, it's a different color than your normal insert. So this is your regular Dia Domino information, and then this is your activewear information. And you get two different stylists. One is for your clothing, and then you get one for your activewear. So this time around, I don't know if I always get to keep the same stylist, but I like to give a huge shout out to my cheerleader, Emily, who is my stylist this month for my active box. So thank you so much, Emily. I really appreciate you putting this box together. I am super excited. Alrighty guys, so I have tried some items on, and but before that, I just wanted to say that I've read some comments and people were like, oh, you still get charged the $25 even if you don't keep everything. That $20 is basically your stylist fee, and basically that's kind of like what I guess Zia pays the stylist. I'm sure they probably get whatever, but that is part of the service that you get. So basically, even though you don't buy anything, you still have to pay for the service of the stylist. So, and you do get that towards any purchases. So you do get that, and then if you keep the whole box, you get 25% off a discount. Now, I don't really put this up, but if you guys want it, let me know, or maybe I might just put it up just so you guys can have it. I do have a code. Uh, Kind of like a kickback, so as if you want to be a Dia member, I do get like, I think it's a $35 commission or some sort, for that code. That's just for all Dia and Co members. They all have their own little special code going on. So it's like for your friends and family, but you're all my friends, you're all my family. So, uh, but I'll put it down. I keep forgetting that. I don't know if I can give that or if you need to email it to a person. I definitely gotta check. So if I don't have the code down below, that means I have to email it to you, and I don't know if you want me to email you stuff. So, anyways, let's get right to it. Alrighty. Before I start, I also want to thank everybody for congratulating me on becoming a Dia Domino. I'm super excited, and I'm having so much fun learning about everybody, whether they're a Dia Domino or not. I love the group. I think that everyone from the bottom of my heart is so awesome and so fun, and I hope that I'm living up to becoming your awesome Dia Domino. Alrighty, so let's see what Emily got for us today. Alrighty, so these are the Active Zone, um, sorry. I'll have everything down below and in the video as well. Astor Capri pants, these are in the color charcoal gray. These are 4X and these are $50. So I would say if you get these pants, I found them a little tight even though they are 4X and I normally wear somewhere from a 3 to 4X. I would definitely size them up to a 5X. Unless I'm gaining weight and I don't realize it, gotta monitor it. Because that does happen, so that time of the month, you're retaining too much water, stuff happens. So, you may want to monitor these things before you start throwing your clothes away, because I've known somebody that did that. Alright, so they have a closure, not a closure, a tie-up in the front. They do have pockets, which is always a plus. Do they have any back pockets? No. And they have like this harem bottom, I think that's what you call them. It's a little stretchy. These were a little tight. I could have done without them. I think I would have liked them even better, but I like them. Are they my top 10 favorites? No, they're 11. You know me, I love the color gray. I really think they feel a little comfy, a little cozy, but I don't know. And these are like joggers. They call them joggers. I don't know. These are roomy hips, thighs, and tapered ankle. That's what this says. I don't know what happened. Anyway, guys, so that's what that is. Okay, so let's move on to the next item. This is the Rainbow Curves Gardenia tank with mesh details in black. This is a 4X. This is $29.95. Love this. I will insert a picture at the end of this video of me wearing this with my blue, navy, dark blue. Doesn't look blue, but wait, hold on. This is, yeah, I always get confused. This is the front, and has this mesh detailing at the top, and this super nice opening in the back, very roomy. And then you also get this mesh detail on the booty area. So, sorry. So yeah, so really cute, cute, cute. Love this. I wore this with my, what are those? Kmart. Believe it or not, those shorts are male sportswear. I love the male. I find that the females like section doesn't have like a lot of shorts in my area, in my range. So I would just wind up getting active shorts from the men's department. So those are for X, and they're really roomy, and I love them. Alright, so that is that. This is the next one. Is from Rainbow Curves. These are the Manzanita tank, Manzanita tank, black and white. This is in the 4X, $34.95. Another good fit. So that's what that looks like. And then you have a little bit of like peachy color and a little bit of mesh, and that black seam in the bottom. That's in the front. Really nice, roomy. That's what I'm keeping. No, unfortunately, there are two items that I am not keeping, which were the sports bras, which were kind of pricey. And so yeah, so this is the, let's see, Curvy Couture Lena sports bra. It is a light gray and peach. Love that combination. And unfortunately, I don't know what it is. I don't know, maybe because I do have a bra that's 40 and a 46C, and the price for this one is $68 even. I do have a bra in Torrid, and I shared with that in that haul like months ago, and the bra still fits me. I haven't had any issues putting them on or stuff like that. So, but this one just, I don't know, maybe because of the material. So I think for the sports bras, I may just have to size up. So this is what this looks like. This is what the inside looks like. So not a wire bra. And the closure is the 4-piece standard closure in the back. So even the straps are padded a little bit, so that was really, really cool. But unfortunately, and this peach, believe it or not, kind of looks a little orangey. It doesn't look like this. I think this was peach, but I guess all peach is different. So unfortunately, and this detailing here, yeah, just didn't work out. I guess some materials, just don't work. So this one is, let's see, another, hold on. Oh, this is the Goddess bra. This is the Detroit um, sports bra, light gray and pink. Pink is definitely not my color. 40, 60, and this is $56. Yeah, like I said, these were pretty pricey bras. So, come on. This is what the bra looks like. Again, no, I thought this was just gonna go over like that normally. That's what I normally do. A little bit of padding again in the straps. 4-piece closure again, standard And I'll just turn it inside out so you guys can see what the inside looks like. And this is what that looks like. Um, yeah, so I don't know. Don't know why, so I just sized up. So when I get the next Dia box, excuse me, I have a little bit of an itch. I will see if that's the problem, and let you guys know. Hopefully, I can be some have some useful advice. Also, guys, if you guys are interested in what I am wearing, this is the Lolita. I think this is I forget. The cold shoulder. Uh, what is that? The cold shoulder shirt. I love the color. Very vibrant blue. I really love this shirt. And it's so comfy, so stretchy. It's not clingy. Even this, I was a little worried because I do have bigger arms. So it is really good. I have all that information about this shirt in my last year box. Uh, but I'll link that down below and I'll put that in the video. Okay, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Again, thank you so much for listening to my awesome announcement about being a Diva Domino. I hope that I've been very helpful as a Diva Domino, and I'm really honored and grateful to be a part of that program. If you guys have any comments or questions, please leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can always email me your comments or questions. My email address is Eileen@eileen.com. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.